Hello viewers, welcome to SkillBee. Today we will learn how to connect PHP and Oracle using XAMPP installer. So these are the few steps which you will have to follow to get the task on the hand done. So the first thing you have to check is the XAMPP installer name. So your XAMPP installer name will be having a variable VC and you have to look out for the number right after it. So as you can see, in my XAMPP installer, the VC name is of 14. So I will have to look out for an instant client from the Oracle website which has VC14 folder in it. So just in case your XAMPP installer says VC15, you have to look out for instant client which has VC15 folder in it. So now you know the prerequisite. Let's get started. So here is my XAMPP. I've already started the Apache server. I'll go to my local host and click on PHP info. I will look out for OCI. Here you can see only 4 OCIs are present right now. OCI module is not yet enabled. Once we are through with all the steps and the OCI is enabled, there will be a separate folder down here for OCI. So the next step is we have to download an instant client from the Oracle website of 32-bit. So this 32-bit is an extremely important part. This is irrespective of your system config. So even if your system is of 64-bit, you still have to install the instant client of 32 bits. You have to go to this website or this link which I will be embedding in the description part. Here you can see multiple instant clients are present. So what instant client should you download? You have to download the basic light NT instant client, and since my XAMPP is of a lower version, I'll be looking out for a lower version of basic light NT folder. So I'll try with this package. I'll install this and see if it has VC14 folder in it. So this got installed. We will unzip this That's amazing. It has VC14 folder in it. So let's see what the next step is. The next step is unzip the file. We have already done that. So we are good to go. Copy all the DLL files to XAMPP PHP. The next step also says you have to copy all the DLL files to a different location, XAMPP Apache bin. And yes, it's a second copy. So let's go to instant client folder. I will sort it by type and copy all the DLL files and I'll paste it in PHP folder. The second copy is to be put in Apache bin folder. So we are done with this step. Let's see what the next step is. Now you have to enable PHP extension in php.ini. So this is the extension which is meant for Oracle 12c. So we will go to php.ini, look out for 12c. So here is the extension. As you can see, this is commented. So this means that Oracle database 12c instant client is disabled. So the moment we remove this semicolon and save the file, this means we have taken a step towards enabling this module in the Apache server. Since we have made changes in the php.ini file, we have to restart the Apache server. So let's restart the Apache server. And see what the next step is. The next step is restart Apache, and my steps are over here. Now we'll go to php.info, and here, and I'll be able to see a different folder which got enabled just for Oracle. So this means that Oracle is successfully enabled in your system. So you are good to go for your coding and connecting your Oracle database through PHP.